Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your the Calm box subscription. Okay, so if you have taken any subscription on this platform, then how you can cancel. So before cancellation you need to keep something in your mind because they have some kind of commitment periods also, like commitment terms also, like 6 months or 12 months. If you have any commitment period, so in that case what you have to do, you can cancel your subscription after your commitment is complete, or they will automatically cancel your subscription. Or if you want to cancel your subscription before commitment period, then you need to pay some kind of early cancellation charges. Okay, and if we talk about how you can cancel, basically cancellation you can done by logging into your account and visiting on your account section, and you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription, or you can contact with the customer support team directly. You need to compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. This is the email format. You need to compose a proper email, and once you visit on their official website, there is a option like chat support option. You can chat with the customer support team and you can paste this message, or you can directly paste your message like you want to cancel your subscription. But make sure when you type this word you want to cancel your subscription, you should log in into your account. Okay, and once they receive your query by using chat option, they will cancel your subscription. There is no other way by which you can cancel your subscription. Okay, and if we talk about like you need to provide at least 48 hours prior to your next scheduled renewal date, and their renewal date is approx like 21st of the every month. Okay, so these are the things you need to keep in your mind while canceling your subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.